Quick video today on the importance of digestive health. Taking a probiotic either naturally or in supplement form. The probiotics I take right now are called Show Nutrition. Helps with your digestion and boosts your immune system.
To be honest, I've been having some problems on the digestive side. And it's something kind of hard to really keep track of because it's not something I like write down in my diary or anything. But I do notice more poop regularities when I take this.
I'm Roberta Tab, and taking my daily probiotic has never been so easy, especially with Show Balance. They have this really amazing daily tracker, so I never forget if I've taken my dosage per day or not. There is a one-click dispenser, super easy, 2 clicks, and I'm ready for the day.